Hello guys, my name is Jassar and I'm a speaking tutor. Today we're going to discuss about some connectors which is very useful in part 1 in speaking module. The first one is apparently, which is not sure. If someone asks you about would you like to visit Australia in the future, you can say that, well, apparently not or apparently yes, I would like to visit Australia in the future. Definitely, that means you are 100% sure. If someone asks you, do you think all buildings should be preserved? You can say that, well, yes, definitely all buildings should be preserved. Honestly speaking, or if you have your own opinion, you can use that thing. If someone asks you about, do you want to explore outer space? If you have your own opinion, you can say that, well, honestly speaking, I would like to explore outer space in the future. If you don't have your opinion, you can say that, honestly speaking, no, actually, I don't like to explore outer space in the future. Truly, that means you have your true opinion. If someone asks you about, do you think online study has more merits than demerits? You can say that, truly speaking, yes, it is. Or you can say that, truly speaking, no, it is not. Okay, it's about your opinion. As far as concerned, if someone asks you about, do you think more learners are nowadays opting teaching profession? You can say, as far as I'm concerned, yes, definitely. Nowadays, more of the learners are opting new teaching professions. To be honest, if someone asks you about, do you often visit library? You can say that, to be honest, no, actually, I don't like to visit library nowadays. Or if you have your answer saying yes, well, to be honest, yes, I like to visit library nowadays because I'm pretty much good in studying. Now I would like to do more study in a quiet place. Obviously, that means you're 100% sure. If someone asks you about, do you think practical part plays an important role in education? If you have the strong opinion, you can say that, yes, obviously. So these all kind of connectors are very useful in speaking module in IELTS. Thank you so much. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video to your near ones. Have a nice day.